Hello and welcome back to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm the manager of retail services at the Culture and Heritage Museums. We're going to show you what we have online on our online store and give you some ideas for entertaining as well. So today we're going to talk about some cookbooks. And this time of year, right after Christmas, I start getting calls for renting Hightower Home, which is a beautiful house we have here on the property at Bradensville, because everybody's gotten engaged, it seems like. So people start thinking about weddings, the guests start thinking about what to get the bride and groom. So I'm going to let you know about a cookbook and a couple other books that make great wedding gifts. So first we're going to have, this is called The Groom's Guide. This is a great little book. You know, it seems like the groom gets left out a lot, so this would be a great gift to pick up for him. It gives you anything you need to know. It talks about different kinds of tuxedos you can get, how to plan for your reception. It tells you different kinds of music. It tells you the whole flow of the wedding. It just gives you a primer on what to expect. But it also gives you tips on, like I said, the tuxedos, different aspects of the venue and questions you may have and questions you have to ask, like the caterer and the florist and things. But this is a great little book. It's coming up on wedding season, and this would make a great gift for the groom. I always like to give cookbooks for wedding presents. Today I'm just going to show you this one. It's called Southern Barbecue. This is a great little book that has all kinds of recipes, great pictures. That tells you how to roast chicken, barbecue, how to pick out different kinds of pork. One of the recipes in here is called smoked crab dip. And today that's what we're going to be making. I'm going to show you how to mix up one of these. So a great idea would be to, if you're invited to go to a party for the couple, and they ask you to bring some kind of appetizer, this book would be great, and it's also good to maybe make a item out of the book. So that way they can actually taste what's in the book. Okay, so we're going to make some smoked crab dip. The first thing you want to do is get a baguette and get it sliced about 1/4 inch. You can actually get this done at the bakery, or you can cut it yourself. But you want to take some melted butter, and all you want to do is just lightly coat. Okay, so then once you have the baguette slices buttered, you want to cut up 2 tablespoons of parsley and just sort of give it a rough cut. Put that in a bowl. Green onions. You can use the green, there isn't the white. So just give it a good cut. Put that in with your parsley. And then you want about a tablespoon of the Cajun seasoning. So just put about a tablespoon in there. And all you want to do with this little mixture is sprinkle it on top of your sliced baguettes. You just want to get a little coating on top. But this Cajun seasoning gives a little bite. Pop it in the oven at 350 for 12 minutes. Take them out of the oven and cool it down. And by the way, the recipe is going to be on the blog, so I'm going to put the ingredients in here, but if you want the measurements and the exact detail how to do it, just go to the online store and check out the museum store blog. What we're going to do, we're going to beat sour cream and cream cheese together. You just need to blend it. Okay, to this mixture, we're going to add shallot and green onion. We're going to have a tablespoon of the Creole seasoning. We use a Cajun on the baguette, but we're going to use Creole seasoning on this. We have some minced garlic and some horseradish here. This is going to be a great dip. It's got such a nice bite to it. And you need a tablespoon of the Worcestershire. Just put that right in. And then mix all this up together. Just squeeze some lemon juice in there. It's going to be 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So we're just going to squeeze some here. And that's a teaspoon of cracked pepper in there. Blend that all together. You want 2 teaspoons of the liquid smoke. Now that we have all the other ingredients mixed up, the last thing you want to add is the crab. You want 8 ounces of the claw meat, and that has really good flavor. And then you want 8 ounces of the lump. And you pick over it, make sure you get all the shells out, because there's nothing worse than biting into a little shell of crab. But you want to leave these nice big pieces of crab in there with the lump. So instead of taking the mixer to it, you just want to fold it in. So I'm going to gently put all this in here. This is a whole pound of crab meat. It's making my mouth water as we speak. So just take a spatula or a flat wooden spoon, and you just want to lightly fold it in. But try not to break up all that really nice good crab lump meat. But it's got a nice smoky smell to it. It's got the crab. You can smell the garlic and the onions and the horseradish. All right, and that's pretty much it. So let's get it plated up. Okay, so for display, just get a little tray. You can put your baguettes right on the tray. Scoop out all your crab meat there. Make sure you get a little spoon for them to dip it out with your plates. Just put a little bit of greenery around, and you've got these really cool candles. Please visit our online store at chmuseums.myshopify.com, and we'll see you next time on What's in Store Fridays.